Welcome to Natural Remedies. Today, we're looking into something truly remarkable, the incredible health benefits of free-range eggs. You've probably heard they're good for you, but do you actually know why? In this video, we'll explore the powerful nutrients and proteins inside free-range eggs that help your body thrive. So if you're ready to find out what's inside, I'll keep you waiting no longer. First up, let's talk about protein. Free-range eggs are a fantastic source of high-quality protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids. These amino acids are crucial for building and repairing muscle tissue, supporting immune function, and keeping your skin, hair, and nails strong. Whether you're an athlete or just looking to maintain healthy body function, free-range eggs deliver the protein your body needs. Next is vitamin D, an essential nutrient for bone health and immune support. Unlike conventional eggs, free-range eggs are higher in vitamin D due to the chicken's exposure to sunlight. Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium, keeping your bones strong and reducing the risk of osteoporosis as you age. Free-range eggs are also packed with B vitamins, especially B12 and riboflavin. These vitamins are crucial for energy production and brain health. B12 in particular helps keep your nervous system functioning properly, making free-range eggs a great brain-boosting food. Then there's choline, a lesser-known but powerful nutrient that plays a vital role in brain development and liver function. Choline is important for memory, mood, and muscle control, and one large free-range egg can provide up to 25% of your daily needs. Other foods containing choline include liver, beef, broccoli, and fish. And let's not forget antioxidants. Free-range eggs are rich in 2 important antioxidants, lutein and zeaxanthin. These help protect your eyes from damage caused by blue light exposure and can reduce the risk of macular degeneration, keeping your vision sharp as you age. Free-range eggs are also a great source of healthy fats, particularly omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s are essential for heart health, reducing inflammation, and supporting brain function. Free-range eggs tend to have a higher concentration of these beneficial fats, thanks to the chicken's natural diet. Finally, we have selenium, a powerful mineral that supports your immune system and protects against oxidative stress. Just one egg can provide 22% of your daily recommended intake of selenium, making it a small but mighty addition to your diet. Other foods containing selenium include nuts, beans, lentils, and seeds. So, the next time you reach for eggs, consider going free-range organic. Not only are they packed with high-quality protein, essential vitamins, and healthy fats, but they also deliver key nutrients that support your brain, heart, and immune system. Thank you so much for watching this short film. If you found this video helpful or insightful, please make sure to hit like and subscribe so you never miss out on more health tips. See you next time! Natural Remedies, Cheshire.